Welcome to Coding Blind Tech. Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to Coding Blind Tech. So this is going to be a quick short video. I'm going to show you real quick how to enable and disable the AI features that are inside of VS Code that come from the GitHub Copilot extension. Alright, so in this extension is automatically installed now whenever you download and install VS Code. I'm also going to link the video I did recently. It was my last video where I actually go through and show you how to utilize the inline suggestions. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm inside of VS Code right now, or Visual Studio Code, and if I'm going to show you that the AI features are on.
Blank number V.
So I'm inside of just a file where I'm actually talking about the inline suggestions, and I'm just going to go to the end of the line, and then I'm going to hit enter to go to a new line. And then right here, I'm just going to put a heading level 2. And then I'm going to start typing just, I'm going to do a capital T as in Tango.
Earn AI features off and on comma.
All right, and you hear there it's going to suggest, and I'm going to read my current line.
Number T.
And you hear number T if I press tab.
T.
And then now I read my current line again.
Number turn AI features off and on comma.
So you hear the AI features there, they are on. So I'm going to delete this
number E.
And here's how you turn them off. So for me, I'm going to press F1 for the command palette, but you can also do Control-Shift-P as in Papa.
Type the name of a
and then now in here, I'm just going to all lowercase. I'm going to type AI space and then
1 result 2 result
or feature. Now for me with the screen reader, I like to hit down arrow and then up arrow to get to the first result to see it.
Chat : learn how to hide AI features.
So for me, AI features are already turned on. So I'm going to hit enter on this.
Dialog. Search settings editor.
All right, so it brings up the settings, and right now we're in the search settings toolbar, but if you just press down arrow.
Settings tree view. Chat disable AI feature.
All right, it has us on the chat disable AI feature. I'm going to hit tab from here.
Chat.disable AI features checkbox not checked.
And then there's a checkbox. I'm going to hit this checkbox. So I'm going to hit spacebar.
Checked.
All right, now this is checked. So I'm going to exit out of these settings.
Circle.
By doing, just hitting escape.
Main landmark.
Okay, so now we need to reload our editor. And the way I'm going to do that is Control-Shift-P as in Papa.
T. Type the name of a
and this opens up the command palette again. I'm going to type reload.
9, 28, 4, 3 results.
And
developer :
we hear developer :
reload web views.
Reload web view host. I'm going to hit down arrow.
Developer : reload window 2 of 4.
And it says developer : reload window. I'm going to hit enter on this.
Circle file.log coding blind tech blog. Command succeeded.
All right, so now everything's going to start back up.
Info. Number VS Code AI /
So now
number T line feed.
I'm going to go to my second line and I'm going to delete this T.
Cap T.
And I'm going to put a capital T again.
Suggest list. Tab comma. Text left.
All right, now you only hear the suggestion that is just VS Code out of the box, which is old school before AI. All right, so now the important part is how do you enable that? So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your command palette. So Command-Shift-P is in Papa.
Type the name of it.
And again, we're going to type AI space features.
2 result.
And our first result.
Chat : use AI features with.
It says chat : use AI features, and then I stopped it. Now I'm going to hit enter on this.
Auto. Main landmark. File.log editor. Blank.
All right, and immediately that just go ahead and activates it.
Number T.
So now I'm going to show you that it's actually activated. So I'm going to delete this T again.
Line cap T.
And then I'm going to write capital T.
Earn AI features off and on comma.
And then you hear there again, it's doing the auto suggest. And so I'm going to tab
T.
and then read my current line.
Number turn AI features off and on comma.
All right, and that's how we turn AI features on and off. All right, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or issues, and I'd be happy to help. They have this messaging feature now where you can message on a video, so try that out and I'll make sure to respond. All right, well, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.